When it comes to choosing a web hosting provider, SiteGround is one of the popular options out there. But before you pull the trigger on a plan, here are 12 things you absolutely need to know about SiteGround, especially when compared to other top competitors in the market. Make sure you stick around till the end for our final thoughts and a better alternative that you can try for free. The first thing you should know is that SiteGround is known for its excellent customer support. Unlike many other web hosts, they offer 24/7 live chat, phone support, and email support. You'll find their response times quick, and their agents are generally knowledgeable. However, compared to some competitors like Bluehost or HostGator, SiteGround support can be more expensive as it's included in higher tier plans. Next thing, SiteGround boasts fast and reliable performance. Their shared hosting plans come with SSD storage and free Cloudflare CDN, which can significantly improve loading times. While SiteGround delivers excellent speed when it comes to pricing, you may find cheaper alternatives like A2 Hosting that offer similarly fast performance but at a lower cost. The third thing is SiteGround's scalable options. Whether you're just starting or need a robust server, SiteGround provides several options, including shared hosting, cloud hosting, and dedicated servers. However, their cloud hosting plans are on the pricier side when compared to more affordable options like DigitalOcean or even Hostinger. Now, let's talk about security. SiteGround includes advanced security features like daily backups, free SSL certificates, and proactive server monitoring. This is a huge plus, especially for small businesses or personal sites. However, while SiteGround security is solid, some competitors, like WP Engine, go a step further with their additional security layers built into higher tier plans. The fifth thing you should know is their user-friendly interface. SiteGround has a custom-built control panel that's intuitive and easier to use than cPanel, which some competitors still use. This makes it a great choice for beginners, though some seasoned users might prefer the flexibility and features that come with cPanel. Now let's move on to the price. SiteGround tends to be pricier than some of its competitors, particularly on renewal rates. Their basic shared hosting plan starts at $299 a month, but after the first term, the renewal price can jump up to $14.99 a month. If you're in it for the long haul, you might want to consider alternatives like Hostinger, which offers more budget-friendly pricing. The seventh thing is that SiteGround is not the best for high-traffic websites. While they're excellent for smaller to medium-sized sites, you might hit a performance ceiling as your site grows, especially if you go with shared hosting. In that case, you might want to consider more specialized hosting like Kinsta or WP Engine. The eighth thing is the ease of use with WordPress hosting. SiteGround offers one-click WordPress installs and automatic updates, which makes it a good choice for WordPress users. That said, some competitors like Bluehost have a more seamless integration with WordPress at a slightly lower price point. Next thing, SiteGround offers free email hosting, which is an attractive feature, especially for small businesses. While some other hosts charge extra for email, SiteGround includes this in its plans. But for those who need more advanced email options, services like Google Workspace might be a better alternative. The 10th thing to keep in mind is SiteGround's resource limitations on their basic plans. While the lower tier plans offer great features, they come with limited resources like storage and bandwidth. If you have a growing business or need more resources, you might end up having to upgrade to a more expensive plan faster than you would with other providers like HostGator or DreamHost. 11th is their lack of a free domain. Unlike many competitors, SiteGround doesn't offer a free domain with its hosting plans, which can add up to additional costs. If you're just starting out and looking to save, a provider like Bluehost includes a free domain for the first year, which can be an advantage. Finally, SiteGround has a solid 30-day money-back guarantee, which gives you a chance to test things out risk-free. However, be aware that they only refund hosting charges and not domain registration or additional services like SSL certificates. So, in summary, SiteGround is a strong contender for web hosting, especially if you're looking for excellent support, fast performance, and solid security. It may be a bit pricier and less suited for